This video will walk you through adding HTML code for elements to Canvas pages using the Embed tool, not the HTML editor. Prior to us discovering this amazing little feature, we had to go into the HTML editor. And for anybody not familiar with HTML, they might look at this and get slight panic attack. So let me get out of there. And we realized that the embed feature, which is this little poofy cloud, it's the same as adding any HTML. So normally we use what's called an iframe, and that puts in a YouTube video or another element that it has the embed code, but it's just HTML, that embed code, that's all it is. And so it turns out we can do that with anything. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So here, the code that I'm finding most useful is this shadow text box. This is what it looks like. I think it's lovely. It gives some depth and calls it out, right? It's a text box that calls out extra information. It still has a light colored background, so we do not have to worry about accessibility in regards to contrast. Here is the code for the callout box. We are going to copy all the way from the top div tag, that stands for divider, all the way down to the bottom closing tag. And then you see there's style, and style is actually cascading style sheet, and it's what gives the extra elements of coolness to this. All right, so we're gonna go from div to div, copy that. Now, one of the other important things is that I need space below my HTML element. If I don't have space below it, then it's gonna be really hard to put any content under it. So I'm gonna give a couple extra lines here, and then I'm gonna go back to where I want the code, and I'm going to find the embed shortcut. It's either on the toolbar under embed, or the drop-down menus, or the toolbar, the 3-dot menu that gives you extra tools, and then embed here, the little poof. And then inside this embed code, I'm just going to paste and then submit. There we go. Boom, looks just like this. So the great thing about this, you could have added your own content inside that submit box, the embed code, but it's so much easier now to just delete this and start typing and put all your content. And so the great thing about this, you can add images in here. You could do lots of things in here, just like if you were just typing away in your regular box. So you don't have to worry. But then notice that because I put in this extra space down here, I have the ability to add content underneath, right? And I always say, like, if you start here, there's not a lot of space, so you might want to give an extra line in between, just to, white space is good. White space in web pages is always a good thing. And remember, we're kind of becoming web designers as we take our courses to the next level. I hope this helps.